Man injured in $50 dispute in Clarendon. 6 men caught on security camera breaking into Manchester shop. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A dispute over $50 by 2 men in Rock River, Clarendon on Sunday has left one hospitalized and the other being sought by police. Injured is 49-year-old farmer from the district, while on the run is a man known only as Full. More details to come following further investigations. 6 men were arrested and charged with shop breaking and larceny following an incident in Christiana, Manchester, after they were reportedly captured by a security camera committing the act. Those charged are 26-year-old Corey Simpson, otherwise called Tallman, a farmer of New Green District, Manchester, 35-year-old Quinn Foster, otherwise called Sauce, of Kiora Avenue, Georges Valley, Manchester. Elvis McIntosh, 37-year-old, otherwise called Curtis, a painter of Amden Land Trelawney, 32-year-old Odine Forbes, a construction worker of Newtown, Black River, St. Elizabeth, 27-year-old Romaine Smith, otherwise called Brownman, taxi operator of Scott Town District, Manchester, 50-year-old Hugh Foster of Colleyville, Manchester. Reports from the Christiana police are that on April 14, the owner of the business establishment securely locked her business and left. Later that day, she viewed the security cameras and saw several men breaking into the place. The police were summoned and the men were seen in a Toyota Succeed motorcar fleeing the scene. They were intercepted, taken into custody, and subsequently charged. Their court date is being finalized.